Welcome, class, to week 7. And I just gave you this little graphic here to show that we are almost complete with our course and we're heading in the right direction for week 8. So let's go through what we did this past week. We talked about short term wins. And so I had each of you come up with short term wins that you could use within your change project. And why do you have these things? That are critical to a change implementation. One, you want to ease the emotions about the change. You want to show benefits along the way because that's where people start to doubt the change. And so you want to continue to show those benefits as you proceed forward. You give people a sense of accomplishment throughout the process, especially if you've got a team working on the change itself or employees in your department that you want to show some kind of accomplishment. You want them to feel that they're headed in the right direction. You want to provide the ability for reward and celebration along the way. And that is a critical factor, whether you're rewarding a one employee or a group of people or even your leadership or manager. You want to make sure that there's some kind of reward, and it can be tangible, it can be just a pat on the back, but that goes a long way. And I'm going to re-emphasize that you want to celebrate those moments because they won't always be there within your change project. So you strategically put them in places in your plan to keep the momentum going. Just one last reminder, if you're reading this and seeing this announcement before Monday, please make sure your ACE assignments have been completed. They are due by the end of week 6. From a course progression standpoint, we have gone through all our steps, including urgency, the team, vision, communication, empower action, short-term wins, and this week we will be looking at not letting up on your change and ethics. And so in terms of assignments for the week, beyond your reading engagement will be a question about ethics. And I've also posted a video there that is kind of interesting. It's a little long, but I think it gets to the point of what does it mean to be ethical within an organization and how does ethics play in change management. Then there will be a couple of discussion questions, and we will also use those for engagement purposes. And then lastly, your change journal draft will be due Saturday. That's 60 points, and you will be using the template that I put together and gave you early on. I also mentioned it last week. So use your change journal template. I have put that in the assignment, and I've also attached I have a line item within the module that has the journal plan attached as well. So you can just fill in the template. What we'll do is you'll turn those in on Saturday, and then I will grade those, and then I will be posting them out there Monday for peer review, and I will partner you with one of your classmates to do a small peer review as part of our engagement for week 8. So as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and let's get started on week 7.